Acme Educational Publications. Number 1, Educational Group. Hello, young learners. My name is Zootopia. Welcome to Happy Phonics, Early Year Foundation Stage 2.
Welcome, young learners. Let's dive into some wordplay fun. Look at these pictures. Which ones have that cool OA sound? Take a moment to think, and when you're ready, let me know. Great job. The pictures with the OA sound are goat, coat, and road. High fives to everyone who got it right. Now, let's put a big cross on the picture that doesn't have that sound. Ready? Cross out the boy. Excellent. You're on fire. Now, let's move to our next activity, completing words. Get ready to finish these words with flair. Complete the first word. Yes, you nailed it. It's goat. Fantastic job. Now, on to the next one. Complete the word. Brilliant. It's road, it is. You're cruising through these words. Next up, complete the word. Absolutely right. It's soap. You're unstoppable. Let's keep the momentum going. Complete the word. Ooh, amazing. Coat, it is. You're acing this. 2 more to go. Complete the word. You've got it. Soak, it is. 1 last word. Complete the word. Woo, woo, woo. Foam is spot on. You've completed the word challenge with flying colors. Great job, little word wizards. Comment us the screenshot of your activity. Must like, subscribe Acme Educational Publications, and share this video.